Connecting Metamask to Photon is a straightforward process that enables users to interact with the Photon network and manage their digital assets securely. To begin, ensure you have the Metamask extension installed on your browser. If not, download and install it from the official Metamask website. First, launch the Metamask extension and click on the Add Network button. In the Add Network window, enter the Photon network details, including the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. The Photon network details can be found on the official Photon website or other reputable sources. After entering the network details, click the Save button to add the Photon network to Metamask. Once the network is added, you will see the Photon network in the Metamask network list. Select the Photon network to switch to it. Next, create a new account or import an existing one in Metamask. If you are creating a new account, Metamask will generate a new private key and address for you. Make sure to save the seed phrase and private key securely, as they are required to restore your account in case you lose access. To connect to the Photon network, you need to have some Photon tokens in your Metamask wallet. You can acquire Photon tokens by purchasing them on a cryptocurrency exchange or receiving them from another user. Once you have Photon tokens, you can interact with the Photon network, including sending and receiving tokens, and interacting with Photon-based applications. To ensure the security of your account, always keep your seed phrase and private key confidential, and never share them with anyone. Regularly update your Metamask extension to the latest version to protect yourself from potential security vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can securely connect your Metamask wallet to the Photon network and start exploring its features and applications.